Welcome once again. We have another video for piano. Passing chords. We are going to learn about passing chords. Passing chords. We are dealing with key F sharp. This key. Number system. So we want to know the passing chord from point 1 to 2. From 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Hivyo ziko hapo ndani. Like hii ndio, these are the chords. These are the building chords. Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished and major. So which chord do we use in between F sharp and G sharp? This one. We are going to use what do we call them? Diminished chord. From here, ukishika hivi, kuja kwa hii note, ndio ya kupitia hapa. Ukielekea hapa. Number 1, passing. Look at that chord. I'm holding G, A sharp, C sharp, and E. Back to E, go to 2. Number 3, we use this chord. This chord, look at it. It's a diminished chord. You have A, C, you have a D sharp and F sharp. Ndio ya hapo. We go to number 3. From number 3 to 4, we use this one, this chord. We enter to number 4. This chord is C sharp, E, and A sharp. Hizo come to B. From 4 to 5 we pass through C. How do we do it? We pass through this chord. You see it? C, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp. C sharp major. It's a passing chord. Look at it. D, F, G sharp, and B. Come here. Then this chord. Look at it. I'm holding E, G. This is A sharp and C sharp. Then our normal diminished chord, back to F. Look at it. The question is, when do you use those chords? Unazitumianga wapi hizo ma passing chord? You want to make your worship sound more professional, use those chords. Like I want to play just a progression from 1 to 4, 4 to 5, kitu kama hiyo. Like another progression like right? Those are the importance of those chords. Like ninamjua aliye mwamba aliye. You see these chords? Aliye niokoa Bwana Yesu. Like another one, mjua. Another way, namjua aliye mwamba aliye niokoa ni Bwana Yesu. Juu ukicheza zikiwa hivi, namjua aliye mwamba aliye niokoa ni Bwana Yesu, ina sound haujajua kidogo, but ikiwa hivi, ninamjua aliye mwamba aliye niokoa ni Bwana Yesu. Hivyo ndivyo utaelewa. So thank you for watching this video. Keep subscribing for more content. God bless you.